Morning, y'all. What up? It's your boy Zeke back with another one. Let me show y'all what we're working with today. Alright, so not bad. We in a closet, attic/closet. That's it. Yeah, so today, place of supply, return plenum, getting rid of these zone dampers, or 2 of them. Getting one for this room, one for the guest house, and then this one. And possibly trying to add an 8-inch return somewhere. Supply bypass. There we go. Alright, y'all. So let me start getting it ripped out. Keep y'all updated throughout the whole process. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and start with this food pipe. Let's get that out the way. Alright, so we got these 2 screws right here that are being a nuisance. So let me cut the drain out the way so we can take this. Alright, drain's out my way now. Let's get this screwed out. Alright, let's get this gas off. Alright, let's disconnect this. Alright, y'all. Gas is disconnected. Let's get to this high voltage, low voltage. Y'all know the routine. And plenums. High voltage is out of there. Let's get this low voltage connected to a zone system. And we're removing zone main level, zone 2, zone 3 is being removed. Alright, y'all, so we got low voltage disconnected. It's wrapped up here. You just gotta separate the zones now. Alright, let's start getting this ductwork disconnected. Alright, y'all, we got these return ducts off. Let me get this return box out of here. Then get these 3 supplies off. Alright, y'all, so we traced the zone 2 all the way up to this guy. So he's coming out. Zone 3 is coming out. So zone 3 is going to be, looks like they already took this one. Let's see. Alright, so zone 3 is this guy. Alright, here. This is zone 3. Alright, let's get rid of both of those 2. Alright, guys, so we got these returns, coil off, supply, those are off. Those right there. So I get this return loose on the way, and we in there. Alright, y'all, so we got our new furnace up. I already cut the hole outside. Got our drain pan with our coil. Old coil. So let me go ahead and sweep this out, make some space. Yeah, start getting this cleared out. Alright, y'all, we got the pan set with our furnace in there. Let's go get our feet. If they didn't send no feet, we're gonna put the foam blocks, raise this up, get our filter, return. We got 3 returns, these 2 and then 1 down there. Alright, y'all, about to get this filter rack on here, get it screwed on, get it taped, and get this sized up, get my coil on. Alright, filter rack is on here, nice and taped up. Alright, so the furnace is set with the feet on. Let's get this coil on here, see how we're looking, level wise. Alright, y'all, we got the coil set, it's taped on here. We're gonna go get our return plenum. But before I do that, I'm gonna do the high voltage, get this low voltage done, get the gas done. So let's start with the gas. Alright, so I'm gonna knock this gas out real quick, connect it right there. Alright, y'all, gas is done, connected. So low voltage. Let me get this high voltage ran in here. Let me do low voltage. Alright, yeah, high voltage is completed. Let's go ahead and put this up in there. Put that cap on, the cover on. Move on to low voltage. Alright, yeah, low voltage is wired up nice and neat in the cabinet. Yeah. All right, y'all, so we got mastic inside our return plenum. We about to get this over here. I feel like I'm gonna have an issue with that tin on the bottom and the back. We'll see. If we do, we already know what time it is. I'm gonna have to climb up in this guy. All right, y'all, so this is how we're looking so far. We're soldered in. We got our return on. Got return ducts. These two are pretty easy to get to. This guy right here was something else. Nonetheless, it's done. Gonna get our return. Supply plenum on. Get that 12, this 10, and this 10 connected. And then I just got drain after that. Then we got drain. And we should be good. Alright, so look at my collars for this guy. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so we got the supply plenum on. We got this one supply duct. We got two supply ducts. That's gonna be tough. It's gonna really be tough. See what we can do. Alright, y'all. So I'm still straightening up as you see before, but the system is running. Kicking my butt a little bit. But we got this 12 on, that 10 on right there, straight through the middle. 10 in the front. Got a flue pipe on set. Got a drain done back there. Alright up, we shoot this all out, get it cleaned up. Give you our final video. People, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy Zeke, we done. Let me show you how this guy turned out. Alright. Yeah, looking good. Okay. Yeah, I like that. So we got the 1-inch filter, swapped out the return. We added a new pan switch, inline switch, new supply plenum, changed the flue pipe a little bit. Took out the 2 dampers, changed the zone a little bit, rewired it, put a new thermostat. Yeah, let's go. It's time to get up out of here. Alright, y'all see how it came out. Y'all already know, nice and clean. As long as the homeowner likes it, loves it, I love it. Alright, y'all, if you like the video, holla at your boy. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll catch you on the next one.